Yes, I'm in space. Well, good. I am happy to hear that. So can somebody read what the lesson is about today, what the theme is? So what animal is this? And we're going to observe things. Weight, how heavy it is. Height, how tall it is. Okay, goodbye.